Hey, welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. Here I am in my very reliable Toyota Tundra, and we're going to drive here from Sawgrass down to Eastport, and I'm going to have the drone chase me about 150 feet up in the air so we can get some good footage going down through there by Edenfield, check out the golf courses, see if they've done anything to the championship golf course, see if Laurel Oaks is open. Go fly down to Eastport and check it out. Alright, it is a lovely 85 degrees outside. It is 6 o'clock on a Thursday night. The squares are busy. That means there will be less traffic on the road. Alright, I don't know what happened to the video, or I forgot to hit the record button. I was going to make sure that I did not miss flying across this bridge. I'm going to fly low underneath the power lines. We get pretty close to some of them. Made it across. Just fly up high. You can see Laurel Oaks is open. You can see that the villagers are playing on Laurel Oaks. That'd be great for the southern villages down here to have this executive course open. You can see the championship golf course on my left. They haven't started on it. When you come around the circle, I've gotten a lot of questions about why my truck leans so much. I have disconnected my sway bars on my truck. It gives me a little bit better control going off-roading. We're going to zoom back out here in a minute so you're able to see more of what's going on. And we're flying south here, going down Bexley Trail, following my truck. You're able to see Edenfield to the right. And you can see that they haven't started anything over here. They got the walls up. They will build over here on Edenfield shortly. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. Only half my viewers are subscribed, so if you could subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And hit the bell notification. My next video coming out on Sunday, I am going to do a flyover of the village of Oak Hollow. You can see on the left side they are working on the infrastructure over there, working on the roads and the drainage system over there. We get pretty close to the tree, but I love the old oak tree, so getting a really good bird's eye view of the tree here, I kind of like it. Alright, fly up a little bit higher. The drone lost sight of my truck there for a moment, but flying up higher, that gives us a better view when we get close to Eastport. Fly across the circle here. You see the softball fields will overtake my truck. Fly up a little bit higher. You can see the sand volleyball courts, the pickleball courts, the tennis courts. You can see the grass field that they have. You see they have added exercise equipment along the walkway here. We're going to keep flying south here. We're going to go down as far as we can down Bexley Trail. Here we are. We're flying over the village of Water's Edge. You can see construction going on the left side of Bexley Trail here. see the executive course they've been working on. Got more power lines, so we're gonna have to go up. Again, gives us a better view. You can see the greens, the rough, the tee boxes that they've gotten started. I cannot believe I've actually had people ask me about the lots on the east side of Bexley Trail over here, when they're going to be available. It'll be a couple of years before they get down here to these lots. I think that is some subscribers down here in Shady Brook wondering when they're going to get done down here. Check out this golf course we're coming up on here on the left. Look at that big old retention pond down there. They're making really good progress on this golf course down here. Still following the truck, we're going to come down here to the circle, and this will be as far as we can go. And man, did I feel like I was being followed down through here. Here we are coming up to the circle. Check out the slow motion. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you'll enjoy of mine.